just got here. It's probably like 8:30, 9 o'clock on Sunday. The lines are really short, so I'm going to turn Sally on and warm her up and check the fuel and just make sure she's ready to go. She might be hard to start, it's cold. Might help if I connect the battery. Swap the tires now. There's about one lap left in these on this side. This side is completely almost obliterated, but it's wearing really like flat, which is really good. So his dream job, Pit Rat Junior Sammy, has requested to change my tires for me, so it works out good for me. He's cracking them. Go Sammy! Yeah! It works out good for me because then I don't have to change my tires. It's fun, but like, you know, if someone else can do it for me, and he really enjoys it, so, and it's exciting. Now we go hit it with the Ugga Dugga gun. Woof. Is it the right way? Perfect. Time to make the Pit Rat some coffee. I tried to record this yesterday, and as you know, I was doing it myself and it didn't work. So let's see if we can get some latte art. Grab our milk out. It's Devondale. Yay! Cute little picture. So that's the first Hits coffee. They're doing helicopter tours. Look at how cool that is. Imagine watching drifting from that angle. Like he's got, look at all the tire smoke down the end. Imagine getting a POV in the helicopter. After he changed the tires, there was only one lap in them really, so I just went out and burnt them off, and we're going to change to a full new set with more grip. This is the not good jerry can. It's got no filler thing, so we're going to have to dump it in. Yeah, just dump it. I got a rag because I'm not confident in our ability. That's pretty full. Just go, I'll wipe whatever comes off.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah! Oh my god! That's a fire hazard. I put some grape scent in this time. I made a hot chocolate because I didn't feel like a coffee. So, and it's got a marchi, so that's good. And I made the coffee and chocolate as well. And then we're gonna get him when he's done his hot chocolate to change the tires. And then we'll go back out, hopefully get another another session in, maybe 2 if I squeeze 2 in. But then we're going to go head over to the Jamboree Rev Comp, which is where they got some Jamboree cars on display, and they're going to be doing like a rev off. So we're going to see some nice noisy rotaries and turbo motors. He's jacking it up. So good. He even put the bonnet down for me before he jacked it up. Sammy got the wheel on. What a good pit rat. We're up here in the timer box watching the burnout. Do the next one in the rev comp now. They are going to be revving the red one. Red one was so awesome. Now they're going to try and start up this 2JZ one right here. So we've gone from rotary to 6 cylinders. There are the specs of the car. That is the car. Be at the Jamboree. My eyes are burning. My eyes. Yay. Just got back from taking Pit Rat Jr. for a ride in the reverse track, and we got some of these tattoos. They're like temporary Valino tattoos. I am going to put the help. I got a cameraman now. Look, that came out good. We're gonna put this one here. Is this how I'm gonna get a tire sponsor? Or even the gloves, but I've got like 2 pairs of gloves now, but there's this pink and purple gloves that I really want from them, and I see them every time on the track and I just never 3 more sessions in before the day is over. It is such a beautiful day today, but it's so hot, but very grateful to be out here. broken. But if that's the only casualty all weekend, I'll take it. Just went and got the trailer. Gonna go pack up everything now. Amazing. She's done so well. It's been such a good weekend. I had such a great time. We're just gonna go ahead and pack everything up now. He's doing his duty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you can, definitely come out to Spring Matsuri, which will be at the very start of October, so lock that in your calendars and I'll see you guys out there. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all the staff and everyone over the weekend, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.